How to add a back button on iPhone. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, scroll down and then head over to accessibility. Inside accessibility, you have to scroll down and inside physical and motor, head over to touch. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll see the option of back tap. Click on it. You simply have to turn on this option. Click on double tap at the very top. Select what action you want to take with the double tap on the back. Let me select screenshot. Well, the back tap has been enabled. Now if you go back and head over to any of the page and take the screenshot by clicking on back tap, then it will definitely take the screenshot. You can see right over here. So this is simply how you can enable back button on iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.